Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by doing the critical setup. Equip the lightning saber, assign 2 energy points to its pool, and choose 1 defensive chip. Once done, move to cover that gives line of sight to enemies but still allows quick retreats. Make sure to preview enemy spacing before engaging. You want at least 1 target within 6 meters. This first action prioritizes resource readiness over aggression, so your lightning opens with maximum impact and minimal immediate risk. You now execute the core combo. Wait until you hit 3 lightning charges, then trigger the burst ability. That maximizes area damage. Immediately chain into an uppercut or dash to lock targets and hit stun, because lightning scales per successive hit. Once connected, reposition slightly to catch clustered enemies and amplify AoE output. Make sure to monitor energy regen while you press the attack so you can follow with a secondary shock without running dry. Keeping pressure and control, you finish fights by capitalizing on stunned or slowed foes. Use your defensive chip to absorb predictable counters, then deliver a finishing shock. If your energy drops below necessary thresholds, back off for 1 to 2 seconds to recharge instead of forcing a weak burst. If the burst misses or splashes ineffectively, swap immediately to crowd control moves to regain positioning and force enemies together. 1 troubleshooting tip. If lightning keeps failing against heavy shields, pivot to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.